Did you know that nearly 15% of vehicles on the road experience major mechanical failures before hitting just 60,000 miles? That's right, cars that are supposed to last years can end up costing you thousands in repairs or leave you stranded when you least expect it. Today, we're diving into the top cars you should avoid at all costs that won't last 60,000 miles. We'll reveal the critical flaws behind these popular models. If you're thinking about buying one of these cars, this is your warning to hit the brakes before it's too late. As the number 5 may shock you, let's get started. Number 1. Nissan Rogue. It is a top seller in the compact SUV segment, praised for its practicality and family-friendly design. But behind the sales numbers lies a troubling reality. The Rogue is riddled with reliability issues that can turn what seems like a great deal into a financial nightmare. The biggest red flag? Its infamous continuously variable transmission. Owners frequently complain about jerking, slipping, and acceleration problems that can escalate into total transmission failure, often well before the 60,000-mile mark. And when that happens, the repair bills can run into the thousands, and even a replacement transmission doesn't guarantee long-term success. The problems don't stop there. The Rogue's 2.5-liter engine has a habit of consuming oil excessively, leading to potential engine damage if ignored. Add to that common complaints of knocking sounds and rough idling, and you've got an SUV that could leave you stranded at the worst times. Even the basics, like suspension and steering, fall short. Premature wear of components leads to a rough ride and handling problems, while build quality complaints about rattles, squeaks, and cheap interior materials make the Rogue feel older than it should. Simply put, the Nissan Rogue is a gamble for anyone looking for a dependable vehicle. Sure, it might seem like a budget-friendly choice up front, but the hidden costs of frequent repairs and frustration might have you wishing you'd looked elsewhere. Number 2. Infiniti QX50. It is, with its sleek design and promise of cutting-edge technology, might seem like a dream car at first glance. But dig a little deeper, and you'll find that this luxury SUV comes with a host of problems that make it a risky choice for long-term ownership. The most glaring issue lies under the hood, the highly touted variable compression turbo engine. While innovative, this engine is plagued by high oil consumption and mechanical failures, leaving many owners frustrated. Imagine having to top off oil constantly or face costly repairs well before hitting 60,000 miles. It's not exactly what you'd expect from a luxury brand, but that's not all. The CVT has earned a reputation for being unreliable, with complaints ranging from jerky shifts to outright failure. It's a problem that echoes its sibling, the Nissan Rogue, and one that can leave you stranded with a hefty repair bill. Many owners report unresponsive touchscreens and frequent system crashes, which can be downright maddening in a car of this caliber. In short, the Infiniti QX50 may look great in the showroom, but its long list of reliability issues makes it a gamble. For a car that commands a premium price, you'd expect reliability, but unfortunately, the QX50 falls short. Number 3. Ford Bronco Sport. It has gained attention as a rugged SUV with off-road capabilities, but its reliability record reveals a different story. Despite its adventurous branding, this vehicle struggles with several critical issues that can turn excitement into frustration. At the heart of the problem is its 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, which many owners report is prone to overheating and oil leaks. Imagine planning a road trip or off-road adventure only to face engine trouble that could cost thousands to fix. The transmission isn't much better. Complaints about hard shifting and sudden failures are common, leaving you stranded and footing expensive repair bills. Beyond the drivetrain, the Bronco is plagued by build quality concerns. Loose panels, rattling noises, and poorly fitted interior components create a less-than-premium experience, even in newer models. For an SUV marketed as rugged and reliable, these flaws are hard to overlook. While the Ford Bronco may catch your eye with its bold design and off-road appeal, its long-term reliability could leave you second-guessing your choice. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Number 4. Chrysler Pacifica. Plug-in hybrid. It promises eco-friendly family transportation with modern tech and convenience, but its reliability issues paint a much different picture. At the core of the problem is its hybrid battery system, which has been a frequent source of complaints. Owners report failures that significantly reduce the vehicle's electric range and require costly replacements well before the expected lifespan. For a vehicle marketed as a greener choice, these issues can feel like a betrayal. Its electrical glitches are another major concern. From malfunctioning infotainment systems to faulty climate controls, these problems disrupt everyday functionality and often leave drivers frustrated. On top of that, brake system issues, premature wear, and ABS failures tarnish the Pacifica reliability record, raising safety concerns for families who rely on this minivan. While the Pacifica plug-in hybrid has an appealing mix of features and eco-conscious benefits, its long list of reliability issues makes it a risky investment. If you're seeking a dependable hybrid or electric vehicle, exploring alternatives might save you from unexpected headaches and expensive repairs down the road. Number 5. Range Rover. It is a symbol of luxury and off-road capability, but its reputation for reliability leaves much to be desired. While the vehicle boasts an impressive blend of high-end features and rugged design, it comes with a litany of issues that can turn ownership into an expensive ordeal. One of the biggest concerns is that its engines, both diesel and petrol variants, are prone to overheating, oil leaks, and in some cases, complete engine failure. For a vehicle with such a high price tag, these mechanical problems are especially disappointing. Another major issue lies in its air suspension system. While it provides a smooth ride when working, it often fails prematurely and is notoriously expensive to repair. These failures can leave the vehicle practically undrivable and put a serious dent in your wallet. Add to that the infamous electrical gremlins that Range Rovers are known for: infotainment crashes, malfunctioning sensors, and unresponsive electronics, and you've got a recipe for frustration. It may turn heads on the road and promise unparalleled luxury, but its reliability struggles can't be ignored. If you're considering this SUV, it's essential to factor in the potential for frequent repairs and high maintenance costs. Number 6. Jaguar FPace. It is a luxury SUV that impresses with its sporty design and dynamic performance, but beneath the sleek exterior lies a host of reliability issues that could leave you disappointed. One of the most common problems is with its engine. Many FPace owners report excessive oil consumption, which not only increases maintenance costs, but can also lead to engine damage if not addressed promptly. Timing chain failures are another concern, often requiring costly repairs that can occur much earlier than expected. The transmission is another weak point. The ZF 8-speed automatic, while smooth in ideal conditions, has been criticized for delays and jerky shifts. These issues detract from the driving experience, especially in a vehicle that markets itself as sporty and refined. On top of that, the interior quality doesn't always match its luxury price tag. Owners frequently report premature wear and tear on seats and trim, which can make the cabin feel dated far too soon. While the FPace offers a compelling mix of style and performance, its reliability problems make it a tough sell if you're seeking a dependable luxury SUV. Number 7. Volkswagen Taos. It is a compact SUV that promises practicality and affordability, but unfortunately, its reliability issues have left many owners disappointed. At the heart of the problem is its 1.5-liter TSI engine, which is prone to stalling, especially in cold weather. This can be a frustrating and even dangerous issue, leaving drivers stranded unexpectedly. For a brand like Volkswagen, known for its engineering, this is a significant letdown. The transmission doesn't fare much better. The dual-clutch DSG system, while designed for smooth performance, often experiences hesitation, jerky shifts, and outright failures. These issues make for an unpredictable driving experience and can lead to costly repairs, sometimes even before the vehicle hits 60,000 miles. The Taos has been criticized for subpar build quality. Rattling noises, loose interior panels, and poorly fitted components are common complaints, detracting from the sense of quality you'd expect, even in a compact SUV. While the Volkswagen Taos may attract buyers with its modern features and competitive price, its long-term reliability is a major concern. Number 8. Hyundai 2.0-liter 4. Hyundai powers several popular models like the Hyundai Tucson and Elantra, but it suffers from serious flaws that can lead to costly repairs. Owners frequently complain about engine knocking, a problem caused by manufacturing defects in the internal components. This knocking often escalates into catastrophic engine failure. The engine also burns oil at an alarming rate, forcing drivers to check and refill oil far more often than they should. Ignoring this high oil consumption can lead to severe engine damage. However, overheating is a common issue due to a poorly designed cooling system. This not only affects performance, but also risks permanent engine damage if not addressed quickly. Hyundai has issued multiple recalls for this engine, but the problems persist in many vehicles. If you're considering a Hyundai model with this 2.0-liter engine, think twice. These recurring issues can drain your wallet and patience, making it a risky choice for long-term reliability. Number 9. Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra. The Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra are household names in the full-size truck market, known for their towing capacity and rugged appeal. However, recent models of these trucks have raised serious reliability concerns that are hard to ignore. At the top of the list is their 8-speed automatic transmission, which is notorious for issues like hard shifting, slipping, and, in worst cases, complete failure. Imagine being stuck with a costly transmission repair long before hitting 60,000 miles, a situation all too familiar for many owners. The problems don't end there. Both trucks are plagued by engine issues, particularly in the V8 models, where faulty lifters lead to ticking noises, misfires, and even catastrophic engine failure. These issues can be incredibly expensive to fix, leaving owners frustrated and questioning the durability of their trucks. On top of that, electrical system failures are rampant, with frequent complaints about malfunctioning power windows, faulty headlights, and other vital components that should work seamlessly in vehicles of this class. The Silverado and Sierra boast impressive capabilities on paper. Their reliability track record tells a different story. For trucks that are often marketed as long-lasting and dependable, these recurring issues make them a gamble if you're looking for a reliable workhorse. And there you have it. The cars you should avoid if you want to save yourself from endless repairs and frustration. Remember, reliability is key when investing in a vehicle, so always do your research before making that big purchase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more eye-opening content like this. Drop a comment below and let us know which car you think is the worst offender. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.